I'm Miss Walker. I'm going over week 1, Tuesday. It is about the value of a digit. Digits are any numbers that are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. 10 is not a digit because there are 2 digits that make up the number 10. I like to draw a place value chart when I'm doing the value of a digit or sing the place value song that I taught my kids this year. If you look in this box, it has examples of every single place value. It's got the 100,000s, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones place. So it shows you how much it would be. I still like to fill out my place value chart and do the little chant. It goes ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. I know my place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. I know my place value. So I'm going to look at letter A. I've got to see how much is this 9 worth. I start in my ones always to count over to see what place it's in. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. It's in the 10,000s place. I have 9 in my 10,000s place. It's saying how much is it worth, so it's 90,000. This 8 becomes a 0, and then I put my comma. The 7 becomes a 0, the 5 becomes a 0, and the 2 becomes a 0. This number is 90,000. Looking at letter B, I underlined the 7. Let's count what place it's in. Ones, tens, hundreds. There's a 7 in my hundreds place. I know that that is 700. This 2 becomes a 0, and this 6 becomes a 0 to make the number 700. Look at letter C. The underlined digit is a 1. It's in the ones place, so it is only worth 1. Look at letter D. We have a 7 that is underlined. Ooh, it's way over here, so I'm going to have to start all the way in my ones and count over and see what place it's in. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000s. So this is going to be 700,000. So I'm going to put my 7 in the 100,000s place. My 6 becomes a 0. The 4 becomes a 0. I leave my comma because it separates the periods. The 5 becomes a 0. The 0 is already a 0, so I'm just going to leave it as a 0. And the 9 becomes a 0. This number is 700,000. On these next 4, I'm just going to go through it. Letter E. This 6 is in the thousands place, so this is worth 6,000. On letter F, we're in the 10,000s place, but there's a 0. There's nothing there. So that means that the value of this is nothing because there's nothing there. On G, we have a 3 in the tens place. 3 tens is 30. 10, 20, 30. On H, we have a 5 in the 10,000s place. So this is 50,000. On these last ones at the bottom, we have to use this box with the number. Now I'm reading it upside down, so bear with me. This number is 456,802. This first question, letter I, says, in the number above, which digit has the greatest value? That means the biggest. Greatest is biggest. Okay, excuse my handwriting. I'm writing upside down. So, well, it wouldn't be the ones place. So I know it's going to be the 100,000s place. And it says which digit. So I'm going to put the digit 4. Because this would be 400 10,000. Letter J. In the number above, which digit has the least value? That means which one has the smallest value? Well, 2 is in my ones place. That means I only have 2. So the digit that has the least value or the smallest value is 2. Letter K. What is the value of the digit in the thousands place of the number above? Well, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the digit in the thousands place is 6. Last one. Whoop, whoop. What is the value of the digit in the 10,000s place of the number above? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So the digit in the 10,000s place is a 5. We are now finished with Tuesday's page of the at-home learning. Tell yourself, I'm a beast.